Hi, my name is Oagile Bethuel Dingake. I'm a sitting judge of the Supreme Court of Papua New Guinea. Previously, I sat in the High Court of Botswana for 15 years. I'm also a sitting judge of the Residual Special Court of Sierra Leone, having been appointed by the Secretary General of the United Nations in 2013. Well, today I'm going to give a comparative perspective on the state of sexual reproductive health laws in Southern Africa, focusing mainly on Botswana, Swaziland, and South Africa. The laws that are in place reflect the attitudes of the communities within which these countries serve. The conservative attitude that are embedded in society manifest themselves inevitably in the laws, in the policies, and also does inform the perspectives of the judiciary in pronouncing on these issues. The challenge that we have is that Southern Africa has an epidemic of bad laws on sexual reproductive health. As I said, these are informed by very ultra-conservative views on the rights of women, particularly on the rights of adolescent girls that are considered to lack capacity to take independent and confidential decisions. The result of all this is that young girls in particular are more susceptible to HIV infection and other ailments. The average patient must remain engaged in civil society activities to try to open up spaces in order to expand the rights that accrue to women and adolescent girls. I think it is the responsibility of everyone. We need everyone's hands on deck, not just the responsibility of government, not just the responsibility of the judiciary, but the responsibility of everyone. In my culture, self-praise is frowned upon. But I imagine anyone who wants to follow the work I have done can find that in Botswana law reports and other journals published across the world. There have been interesting cases that you can follow on gender justice, on administrative law, the right to fair hearing, and so forth and so forth. It may well be that that is where my successes lies. It's a real honor and privilege to be here to share the little that I know with the rest of the colleagues who attend this important event.